Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey Funny Bones, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Birthdays come around every year, but a friend like you comes only in once a lifetime, and I'm so glad that you came into my life. You are hope your birthday is as special as you are to me. Once the lockdown is over, I promise we will have a blast, as we always do, with the madness and the laughter that we always have once we are together. Once again, happy birthday. Lots of love and hugs to you. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day to the one who has many names. To name a few, Leandra, of course,
Audio Jungle.
Bandra, and one which starts from V, which I'm not going to say it here, and Capsicum. How can I forget that? Hope you're enjoying that at home. And on a serious note, thank you so much for being there for me whenever I require. And yeah, enjoy your day. Have a great day at home. Thanks. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Leandra. You are my first friend in BNP because we have joined on the same day and we'll be friends forever. Have a blissful year ahead, my green tea partner.
Hey Leandra, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Stay home, stay safe, and have a beautiful day.
Many happy returns of the day, Leandra. Have a blast, stay indoors, and we will meet after the lockdown. Bye.
Hi Leandra, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have an amazing birthday. I know it's quarantine, but we'll celebrate poses for sure.
Hi Lee, happy birthday to you. Hope you are doing well and fine in this quarantine and in this COVID situation. I just want to wish you all the happiness and love and everything that you wish for yourself on your birthday. And just few days back we completed our 200 days streak also. So yeah, let's hope for more and more streak for a long time. And when this whole quarantine situation is over, let's meet. Yeah, I just want to wish you all the happiness and love, and yeah, wish you well.
Hey Leandra, happy birthday to you. Sorry that you have to celebrate it under quarantine, but I hope you have a great day anyway. Sending you a lot of luck and a lot of love, and kill it. See you.
Nene, happy birthday, I love you bro. We'll meet post quarantine, like chill out bro. Have fun bro.
Hi Leandra, happy birthday. May God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe, and I hope that we can celebrate your birthday together after the lockdown gets over. Bye, I hope to see you soon in India.
Hi Leandra, wishing you a very happy birthday. As you can see, this is my stay during coronavirus. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday Leandra. I wish you many happy returns of the day. I hope you're safe and see you soon. Take care.
Happy birthday.
Hi Leandra, happy birthday. Wish you get everything you've always hoped for, and you know I love you, right? You're the sweetest and the cutest, and I'm so lucky to have a friend like you now, and hope to see you soon in Bombay. Can't wait to go to Marine Drive with you again.
Happy birthday, Leandra. Enjoy.
Leandra, many happy returns of the day. I wish we could have spent this day together, but sadly locked down. So there are many things we need to do after lockdown, right? Happy birthday, love you.
Hey, happy birthday darling. May God bless you with his choicest blessings, and may you have a day as beautiful as you are. Don't be naughty, stay at home, stay safe. We shall have a ball once this lockdown is over. Lots of loves, hugs and kisses from all of us, especially from Polo.
see you soon. Bye. Love you.
Hi Leandra, wish you a very happy birthday and I hope you have an amazing day at home, of course. So just wanted to tell you, you are an amazing person. You're one of the most entertaining person I've come across. I would cherish all the moments we've had together, like the long Bandra walks at Carter Road, Bandstand, the games which we all played when we were kids, the street food plan and restaurant hopping which we've done to find the best food ever. So just can't wait for this lockdown to get over so that we can catch up on our street food plan. So yeah, happy birthday again.
Yeah, so
Hi Leandra, wish you a very happy birthday. I'm here with Mr. Handsome from Canada. There he is right now, the most handsome guy you'll ever see. There he is. And we hope you have a very good day indoors. No raving allowed. Alright, and when you are, when everything is back to normal, when handsome guy comes back to Bombay, maybe we'll entertain you at another petrol pump. Abhi Gandu, speak.
yeah, dude, I was just waiting for your cue. Yeah, so Leandra, happy birthday. Yeah, I know it's exciting, and I'm just hoping that you're indoors and you're staying safe. And it was Rohit's idea to do a call like this, and it was my idea to convince him to put on something. Dude, I was like, dude, it's not live Jasmine, so just put on some clothes. So he's finally wearing a banyan, and yeah, so I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead, and yeah, happy birthday once again.
Hey Lee, wish you a very happy birthday. Stay blessed and have a very good year ahead. And I hope you are safe there.
Hey Lee, wishing you a very happy birthday. We really wanted to see you here, but unfortunately because of the crisis we can't. I hope you're safe there. Maharashtra is striking with coronavirus. And stay home, stay safe. We shall see you very soon. Have a great year ahead. See you.
See you.
Hey buddy, what's up? Wishing you many happy returns of the day. What plans of the day, huh? I know it's going to be somewhat like a boring day because of the lockdown where we can't go anywhere, we can't meet, we can't catch up, we can't take a treat. But that doesn't mean your treat is not there, huh? Once the lockdown is over, we'll surely meet, surely have a great time, and your treat will also be there, huh? So, till then, have a great day, have a great year ahead. Cheers to our friendship. Love you loads. Have fun. Take a great day ahead. Once again, wishing you happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And I'm not even professionally
Happy
trained.
birthday Leandra from Bandra. Our treat is pending at the Harsh Bakery. The mutton roll happens to be our favorite dish, so treat is pending. Thank you.
So I just showered and my day has just started. So I thought I'll be a little productive today and wish the most useless friend I have right now. Yes, that is you, Leandra. And so wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you're enjoying this quarantine at home. I'm so happy you are. And yeah, just note that I am not going to come for any more lunches or dinners or snacks with you, cause every time I ask you, you are on a diet, and the next day you go and eat your pizza and blah blah blah. So screw you. Anyways, have a happy birthday. Enjoy yourself. Take care.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leandra. Happy birthday to you. Very happy birthday, Leandra. I'll see you post the lockdown, alright? Lots of kisses.
Many happy returns of the day. I really hope you have a great day today. I mean, you know, it's gonna be tough because of all the shit that's happening around, but definitely once this is over and once I come back, I'm gonna make sure we enjoy, we party hard together. And yeah, just best of luck. Just by the way, how old are you right now? 30? Oh, I'm just joking. I know your age. But yeah, we're all getting older, man. Anyway, take care. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Leandra. Hope you're enjoying your quarantine birthday.
Hi Leandra, happy birthday.
तेरे बर्थडे के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है यार. So just want to say, you're the pain in my ass, but you'd definitely beat this pain in the ass. Stay the pain in the ass for the rest of my life. And I know my competition has increased, but I'll always remain the first to wish you on your birthday. So competition ka bol, Hawan Vechal. Anyways, enjoy your birthday at home. Bye.
Yeah, enjoy your birthday at home. Stay indoors.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Bye.
So, this video was not only made for your birthday, but also to show you what an amazing person you are and how you brighten the lives of everyone around you. I truly feel blessed to have a partner like you. I mean, like, talking to you has been the best part of my day ever since we have met. Well, anyway, I hope you like the surprise. And yeah, when it comes to surprises, I remember you telling me that you don't like surprises. But you know what? I'm going to be surprising you for the rest of your life. Happy birthday, love.